Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses, and thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time visiting, I appreciate you. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you as well. Come along with me today while we do some work in the garden. Specifically, we're going to fertilize our newly planted fall crops and see if we have any harvesting needed to be done. So grab your cup of coffee, sit back, put your feet up, and enjoy. So I have a 55-gallon trash can full of rainwater. We're going to put 2.5 gallons into my watering can, along with the liquid fertilizer that I'm going to be using, and we're going to fertilize our plants. So we're here at my corn raised bed, and we are going to fertilize it with this. It's a high nitrogen fertilizer for corn, and basically, if they're small, under 12 inches, we add 1 tablespoon per gallon of water. So we have 2 tablespoons in my watering can that we're going to feed my plants with. One of them, this one looks like it's a little ill. Hopefully it will bounce back. So we're done watering the corn. Next will be my first planting of fall crops. So in here we have Jack's All-Purpose 20, and we put half a cup in, and we're just going to water the plants. So in this bed, we have my second planting of fall crops, and we're going to do what we have been doing for the other 2 beds. And in this case, it's the Jack's 20. So in the whiskey barrel that you're currently looking at, momentarily I'm going to plant some dwarf cowhorn okra seeds that I got from a fellow YouTuber by the name of Lazy Dog Farm. And I've ordered from him pretty in the past, and he is pretty good and definitely knows his okra, or as he calls it, okra. So in this whiskey barrel, I'm going to drop about 5 to 6 seeds. My okra that I currently have growing, it is a variety called Eagle Pass. It is growing, but it hasn't produced pods as much as I thought it would. So that's why we're planting more okra. So I'm just pulling the mulch to the side, and when these come up, we'll put the mulch back around. And they've been covered back up, and we gave them a little water. So hopefully in the near future, we'll have okra or okra plants coming up from this planter. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we fed our plants, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. Tell me, what is your go-to method for fertilizing your plants? Normally, or most of the time, about maybe 80% of the time, I go ahead and put it in the injector. But today, I felt like hand watering my newbies, and I think I was pretty successful at it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of stuff by myself, but can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.